Hello, and welcome back to Feature Insights. Today's topic, the benefits of using your newsroom as a digital press kit. This is something that's super easy to do and that creates an invaluable resource for your business and for anyone looking to tell your story. To get some key insights on why having a readily available press kit for your brand is so important, we spoke with Gabriel Yakir Ketteler, who manages communications for one of the biggest names in gaming.
Hi, I'm Gabriel. I'm the brand manager for CRYENGINE. I work for Crytek, and as the brand manager, I do all the PR for the engine. So I work with journalists. I also work with our indie developers and our partners who use the engine to develop their own games and projects.
Crytek is a perfect example of a company that has many different sub-brands under its umbrella, from countless gaming titles to its legendary CRYENGINE. As a global name with expansive reach, it's important for Crytek to have all the assets journalists could want easily available online.
We work with people all over the world in different time zones, and for us it's important that, so if we make it easier for journalists to find what they need when they are writing an article, it makes it easier for us, right? Because if we want proper representation, we have to make it as easy as possible for them to find the right quality, size and version of our logos. Sometimes journalists will just write an article and they won't even get in touch with us, and then they need a CRYENGINE logo, right? So they Google it and then it comes up in some bad quality or it's an old version or something like that. So that doesn't benefit anyone. So we really try to host our attribution packages in an easy, accessible way as possible.
And here is where building your press kit as part of your newsroom really makes sense. Your newsroom gives people the ability not only to see your latest stories and download those up-to-date assets, it also gives them bios, contact details, and the option to sign up to hear about your future updates. Having all your digital assets easy to find online is a smart move for any brand, since it gives you the ability to keep your narrative high quality and consistent, even when it's other people telling your story. And it isn't just journalists and influencers that benefit from having access to your digital assets. Having a press kit makes it so much easier for you to share branded material with your partners.
And for this, Prezly is actually great. So I'm not just using it to share assets with journalists, but we have the integrated media gallery, which tails the press kit via Prezly. And I actually sent that out to our indie developers as well. So whenever they use the engine for their games and then they start producing their marketing material, I can easily just give them the link to the newsroom and they can download it and use it in their own marketing material. So that's actually super cool.
But of course, that's not all. Crytek take it a step further by using the Prezly API to integrate their many newsrooms into their website, which gives their domain an SEO boost as well as helping to centralize their content.
The newsroom newsletter, that is actually a feature that is mostly used by press because, of course, they are always on the hunt for the next big story, and if they sign up for something that's relevant for their interest, they gladly use that because it saves them time, right? And for influencers, they also navigate to our newsroom and ask for collaborations. I'm the press contact for the engine, for example, and if they need additional material for their reports or their streams, we can send them directly to the media gallery of the respective game where they can find high-resolution assets to use in their advertisements.
So, have we convinced you? Creating a press kit as part of your newsroom couldn't be simpler. To get started, head over to our help center and search how to turn your newsroom into a digital press kit for a handy overview. That's it from me. See you next time on Feature Insights.